In this problem, we want to use synthetic division and remainder theorem to find the indicated function value. So we got f of x is equal to 4x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 6, and we want to find f of 2. Well, we're going to do synthetic division, so we'll take 2, put it in the box in the upper left hand corner. Whatever number is inside the parentheses right here is always what you put in the box. Now we identify our largest power, which is x to the fourth. So we're going to have an x to the fourth, we'll have an x to the third, we'll have an x squared, we'll have an x, and we'll have a no x. So you start with your largest power and you have one power for each one going down. Now, I usually write this smaller, but in order for you to be able to see it in the YouTube video, I made it a little bit bigger. You don't want to make this, usually you don't want to make this big at all, because that's where you mess it up. This helps ensure that everything, it's always in standard form, and you're not missing any powers. Well, the number in front of our x to the fourth is 4. The number in front of our x to the third is 0. There is no x to the third. Number in front of our x squared is negative 2. There is no x, so that's 0. And our no x, or constant term, is 6. Now we want to go through a series of adding, multiplying over and over until we're done. Start with the first column here. 4 plus nothing is 4. Always want to multiply by a number in a box, but number just put down there. 2 times 4 is 8. Then want to add. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then want to multiply. Always multiply by a number in a box, but number you put down there. 2 times 8 is 16. Add. Negative 2 plus 16 is 14. Multiply by the number in a box, but number we just put down there. 2 times 14 is 28. Add. 0 plus 28 is 28. Multiply. Always multiply by the number in a box, but number you put down there. 2 times 28 is 56, I think. And add. 6 plus 56 gives us 62. Let me double check all that. Okay. Now the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem says if you're evaluating a polynomial function and you go through your synthetic division, your remainder, which is the last number here, is always going to be your answer. So that tells us that f of 2 is going to equal to 62.